of the term the lost generation, it doesn't just mean people who lost their way. It also means people who lost their connection to nature. A generation that became so busy in comfort and technology that through silence, blind to earth's pain. But what have we lost and what did we gain? But guess what? Have you ever heard of the term the lost generation? It doesn't just mean people who lost their way. It also means people who lost their connection to nature. A generation that became so busy in comfort and technology that it forgot the pain of the planet. Once we danced with the winds and laughed with the rain. Now we scroll through silence, blind to earth's pain. But what have we lost and what did we gain? But guess what? We don't have to be that lost generation. We can be the generation of change. The generation that says no to pollution and yes to protection. The generation that understands that Earth is not just a place to live, it's a part of us. Miss President, look around you. Rising temperatures, floods, drought, and disappearing animals are not just news or stories. They are warnings. Warnings that tell us that we are running out of time. But that's not all. Ozone layer, our earth sheet against the sun, dangerous rays is getting thinner because of our actions. More harmful radiation is reaching the earth, damaging life. And while nature struggles to survive, human wars are leaving deep wounds on the planet. Forests burned, land poisoned, and air filled with smoke. All of it adding to the climate crisis. The sun feels hotter every day, the skies are dark, the trees decay. The forests burnt, the rivers dry, while smoky clouds fill up the sky. Can't you hear the planet's plea? It's crying out to you and me. Imagine a future where children can't see a single tree, where clean water is a luxury and animals only exist in boats. That future is not far if we don't act now. But there is hope, and Mr. President, that hope is us. Each one of us has a role to play, whether it's switching off a fan when we leave a room, or refusing plastic bags, or even reminding our families to save water. These small actions make a big difference. We may be young, but we are not powerless. Our power lies in our choices. Choose to reuse, choose to save water, choose to plant a tree instead of cutting one. Choose to care. We are not lost. We are powerful. And it's time to plug into that power and lead the way. Remember, the earth doesn't need us. We need the earth. If we take care of it today, it will take care of us tomorrow. Let us not become a lost generation that regrets its silence. Let us rise as the degenerate generation that change the narrative. We must make it clear that we are not a generation of bystanders. We are a generation of change makers. In the end, I would like to leave you with a few lines of poetry. This world, it calls, it pleads, it cries. It is our turn to spread our wings and fly. So let us charge, let us ignite. Together we can make our future bright. I thank you all.